Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Robot Vacuum and Mop. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. MOVA Robot Vacuum and Mop. Pet care design, adapt to multi-surfaces, tireless cleaning, smarter than ever, clean where you want, always prepare to clean, never get bothered, new level of intelligence. Number 4. iLIFE V5S Robot Vacuum and Mop. 2-in-1 design, unique suction structure, endurance cleaning, scheduled cleaning, simple cleaning. Intelligent protection, self-charging. Sweeping system provides a powerful suction in vacuum mode, mopping system with intelligent control water tank. Number 3. iLIFE Vac Robot Vacuum and Mop. iLIFE is clear of its way, clean more with less hassle, clean anywhere at any time, extended runtime, extra cleanliness, start cleaning with your words, auto recharge and resume cleaning. Number 2. Robot S6 Robot Vacuum and Mop. This pre-owned product has been professionally inspected, tested and cleaned by Amazon qualified suppliers. There will be no visible, cosmetic imperfections when held at an arm's length. Number 1. Altenic T10 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Self-empty station, 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping, advanced laser navigation, power suction and last long battery, neat row and resume cleaning, carpet boost technology,